What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the possessed dog day from Poppy Playtime. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the top edge of the nose. We're going to start on the left. Let's bend this up and come down on the right. Now from the ends we want to bend this down and in towards the center point. Let's fill the inside of the nose in black. Now from here we're going to draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start from that center point of the nose. We're going to start with the left side. We're going to come down and then bend that up. Let's go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Coming down and bending that up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the bottom of the mouth. Let's come down, round out the mouth, and go up on the right. Let's add a fold across the top of the nose, starting on the left, going up, and then down. And then we'll tuck the bottom edge of the eyes underneath that fold. Starting on the left, going across and up. Now on the outside, we're going to draw the top of the eye going up, like a half oval, come in, and then down on top of the nose bridge. Let's move over towards the right, going up towards the same height, come around, and then down. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, let's draw a circle. And we'll line that up on the right. And we'll add a small black dot in the center of each pupil. Now we're going to draw a seam going in between the eyes, starting from the top, going all the way up towards the brow. Now you want to work our way across the top of the brow and blend this towards the inside of the ear. Let's start with the left. We're going to go up. I'm just going to bend this down, aiming towards the corner of the mouth. Do the same thing on the right, going up, go across, and then down. Now from here, we're going to bend the ear, coming around and then in. And then we're going to trace the bottom of the mouth coming down towards the chin. So we're going to follow that same curve, coming all the way around towards the bottom, go across, and then up. Now let's go back up to the top of the brow. We're going to add a fold across the top of the ear. We're going to go around, out, and then down. Now from the top, I'm just going to fold this across and up, bend this around, and then down toward the side. Just round up the side of the ear, pull that in towards the bottom. I'm just going to close out the bottom with a curve. Let's close out the top of the head, going up and then down. Now on the left side, we're going to add a stitch, going across and down in the middle. We'll add some stitch lines. Now we're going to go back with a thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes, going around the pupils. We're also going to fill in the inside of the mouth, starting from the left, working our way across. Now, just underneath the head, we're going to add a socket for the arms. Let's start on the left. Coming down and then out on both sides. From the bottom, let's bend the body, coming down and in towards the hips. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add a circle in the center of the body. Now along the outside of that circle, we're going to add a series of small curves, starting from the top, just working our way around. Let's place that zipper in behind. Starting underneath the chin, we draw 2 straight lines coming down. Continue along the bottom. Now let's go to the bottom of that arm socket. We're going to bend the arm around and then down. Let's go up underneath the chin, draw that same curve. Going all the way around the outside of the arm and then down. Now you want to close off the bottom with a curve. So let's add some straps across the arm. Add one curve, step up, and then draw that again. Move up and draw one more. Let's add a buckle along the inside, 2 angled lines, and add one across the top. Now I want to stitch the arm to the body with these small lines. Let's go to the inside of the wrist and draw the first finger. I'm going to come in, round out the finger, and then bend that back up. And we'll add 3 more fingers going out toward the side. Coming around, round out this finger, and then bend that back up. Let's move down towards the side, add that second finger, coming around, and then up. Let's go back to the outside of the wrist, add that last finger going out, around, and just bend that up underneath. Let's add some stitches across the wrist. And I'm going to separate a couple fingers. Start with a curve on the outside, add those stitches, and one more on an inside finger. Now we want to pull the end of the straps along the outside, so adding a small half circle. And now let's draw on the right arm, starting from the socket, then the arm coming down, and then up towards the wrist. Go up underneath the head, draw that same curve, coming down, and then up. Close off the wrist with a curve. Let's add a couple straps. Move up and add another one. Let's add those stitches across the inside of the arm. And now we're going to add in the fingers. Let's start from the top of the wrist and go up, bend this finger coming down, round up the finger, and then bend that back up. Let's curl 3 more fingers along the outside, starting from the side, going out, come around and in, and then bend that back out. Let's add the second finger, starting from the bottom, going around, in, and out. And then we'll extend the last finger, going out, rounding out the finger, and then bending that back in. Let's close off the bottom of the palm. Now I'm going to add some stitches across the wrist, also separating some of these fingers. Now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Possessed Dog Day from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I post new lessons every single day. And if you want more details on our art supplies, I'll leave a list with links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.